Hello, my name is Nandini Sharma and I am pursuing my bachelor's from School of Applied Life and Sciences here at Uttaranchal University, Dehradun. One of the standout features of SALS is its highly qualified and experienced faculty members who serve as our prized assets. Their knowledge, guidance and mentorship have been invaluable in shaping our academic journey. The laboratories and the practical sessions conducted in our college are always updated to keep pace with the ever-changing landscape of higher education. This ensures that we receive hands-on experience and stay ahead in our field of study. The state-of-the-art infrastructure further enhances our academic endeavors, providing us with a conducive learning environment. The centrally operated library, equipped with hundreds of books and high-speed internet facility, supports our research and studies effectively. The modern and well-equipped laboratories cater to our practical demands, enabling us to apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios. This emphasis on practical exposure has greatly boosted our confidence and career prospects. So if you're looking for a university that helps you grow holistically, choose Uttaranchal University.